Meaning of fortify.
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 Fortify. The term fortify means to strengthen or reinforce something, typically a physical structure or an idea. When something is fortified, it becomes more resistant to external pressures and better equipped to withstand potential dangers and challenges. This could include the use of additional building materials or technologies to improve the structural integrity of a building, or the implementation of strategies to bolster the security of a system or organization. Overall, fortification is aimed at making something stronger and more effective in its intended purpose by protecting it against potential threats and vulnerabilities.